So today is Saturday, January something. This is Junior's my front yard, no garage but garage, and our project today is pulling a fucking 350 engine out of Patina 72 Chevy pickup, and it was running okay, but I have a Vortec that I've been building on and a 700 R4. So that's what we're going to be throwing in tomorrow. Pulling this engine out took longer than I thought, so it's going to have to be tomorrow. But pretty soon this truck is going to be legit running very good. Freeway ready soon. Excuse that gay shit on the radio. I never listen to the radio. I've just been in a hurry to put my oldies or old school on, or good rap music, whatever. Rap, not rap, because we don't know nothing about that. And the engine is coming out, yo. It's taking a leak too. Bam. Actually, the flux capacitor wasn't working on this engine, but the new one, it's working good. We set it up for 1985. Just kidding, that's Back to the Future.